Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to Sudden Wealth. I hope you're having a very good 4th of July. If you do enjoy my content, please consider dropping that like and subscribe. The channel appreciates it, I appreciate it, and hopefully my message can get to more people. Now, either today or yesterday, I don't remember, but basically I had the question of why is the Bitcoin spot ETF so bullish, and how is it different from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust or the futures that are already traded? And I could give you a bunch of technical reasons for it. For example, the fact that the futures are basically derivatives and actually don't hold any Bitcoin, and many institutions and private individuals are forbidden for one reason or the other to even deal with that kind of products. And basically the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, it cannot do daily redemptions or purchases, which means that you're always trading either at a discount or at a premium. That's why you can type GTBC NAV, which is net asset value, and you can see if it's trading at a premium or at a discount. I think nowadays it's trading at a discount. And there's a reason for the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust actually been trying to convert itself into a spot ETF for quite some time. Then you also have other reasons, which is Blackrock, because of its deep, I would call it nefarious connection with the government. It's a bit like getting the thumbs up from the regulator and the government in itself for Bitcoin, and then people extrapolate for the remaining of the world of crypto, or at least let's start maybe next with Ethereum. And there's a bit the notion that BlackRock goes first, they get the approvals, and then the rest of it follows. And then all the institutional money that has been on the sidelines can finally participate, and their bags are much bigger than yours or mine. Now, then you can ask the question, oh, but is this actually good for the world of crypto that institutions come and dominate? I'm not making a judgment here. I'm just telling you that if they bring their money into crypto, then all of a sudden, the game completely changes. And at the end of the day, what you want to know is it going to pump your bags, yes or no, right? I mean, yes, sure, there's going to be 5 or 6 purists who are here for the tech, but all the other ones, we are all here for the same thing, to see green candles and to see our bags going up. And the question you must ask is it more likely or less likely that your bags are going to get pumped if a lot of institutional money comes in? But most importantly, forget about all these reasons, because these are more technical or market, or not market, but like macro reasons. But the main one is very simple. The market participants, all of us, the great majority, thinks that this is a good thing. And by thinking that it's a good thing, they buy. By buying, they don't sell. By not selling, price goes up. What does this apply to? Everything. Real estate, gold, stocks, bonds. It doesn't matter. If a lot of people think that an event is going to cause something to go up, they will buy it and not sell it, and then that thing will go up. Now, I've told you before, and I will repeat this to make it very clear. This is going to be a massive buy the rumor, sell the news event. You're going to see a huge ramp up, and then you're going to see a big sell-off. I'm talking 30% plus sell-off. Now, will it mark the top of the Bitcoin cycle? Depends on the timing of the ETF. If it comes in 2025, yes, I think so. I would say with 90% certainty that will happen. If it comes around the Bitcoin halving 1 month after, 1 month before, maybe we still run into 2025, but maybe consider taking out some exposure. Not financial advice, of course, but you never know. if I'm wrong, I expect if it comes in 2024, in the beginning of 2024, you're still gonna have a rally into 2025. If it comes in 2025, I do think it's gonna be the top. And now you don't have 3 Arrows, Celsius, and BlockFi to buy a second top on leverage like they did in the previous cycle. So, and I expect Michael Saylor to be a bit smarter to go and make another double top again. So that's basically it. That's the reason why I think that the Bitcoin ETF is so bullish. It's kind of for all the previous reasons that I mentioned in the beginning, but most importantly, the majority of people believe that it's bullish, and by being bullish, they buy. And by buying, they don't sell, so it ramps up. And the majority of retail investors will unfortunately buy right a few weeks before the ETF comes out, basically buying the top, and then you have this huge drop, and all of them end up holding the bags, at least if they are lucky, for a few months, if they are unlucky, for a few years. So that is my take on it, and thank you for the comment, by the way. I don't remember the name of the person who did it, but I hope to have answered your question, and I will catch you in the next one.